Ugh. Jesus. This time on A.C.C. Garage, I feel like a VIP at Starz Auto Parts here in Mississippi. My God, where do I even start? Ooh-wee. Alright, as you walk in the door, look at that. Chevy 2 wagon. Man. She's been, she's a little far gone for my taste. Chevrolet old truck. Man, this place is starting out good. And it's near a racetrack. So, really some awesome stuff here. Like, I'm already liking this place. I'm actually still not back in Ohio. I'm currently in Burham, I can't pronounce the name. I'll screen. So, I think it's Byram, but screen. So anyway, I got bored. Once again, free time. I work 12-hour days, so I get 12 hours off. So we found out there was a junkyard a couple miles down from our shop. So we decided to come out here. I actually have a coworker of mine. Say hi, Michael.
Hello.
So apparently this place has some old classic cars, so I'm gonna see if I can find any parts for Project Lemon, Project Shelley, Behemoth, any of them. Just see if there's any kind of old Chrysler parts or anything that might be able to be salvaged and maybe fit in my suitcase. You know, I had to fly back, I didn't drive. Ooh, looky there. That's a good start. Old Dodge Ram pickup truck. Hell, they're nice enough to put the year on the nose. She a leaning tower of power? Yup. Old slant 6. Damn. This thing I hate. Like all this nice sheet metal still. Even though it's a little bit rusty, it's not all the way through. Automatic, unfortunately. But, yeah, damn. She ain't in bad shape. Yeah, dash ain't. It's got a lot of stickers on it, but, you know, she ain't too bad in here. Damn, shame. Oh well. See what else we can find. Oh no. Oh no. I see a Shelley. Oh God, guys. I might have to see if I can steal a part from this old girl. This is a short box. What in the hell in the other? That is awesome. Man, short bed. Too bad she's a little laid up right there. But damn it, that's freaking cool. Man, they did a number in here, but the cab's really solid. Light bezels. 4x4 automatic power wagon. 2-barrel. Had A.C. What good's the grill still on? Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's a 70s, maybe an 80. I don't know, I can't remember. I can't remember when they changed square, but that's, it sucks. I was looking for like a badge or something I could save off of for Shelley, but really, this truck's a little too far gone, even for my standards. What else do we got? Is that another Dodge? Oh, baby, it is. She got for me. Ooh, she muddy back here. Ah, well. Shoes wash. Oh, we got the old truck. This thing's 3/4 ton, isn't it? Oh, what a shame. 360? Oh, poor girl. V8 truck, probably A.C.'d. Is she a manual? Oh, give it up.
Give it a hand.
Nah, she's an automatic truck. She won't open. Yeah, so far, not seeing anything I can keep. I heard there was a lot of them here, but I guess they miscommunicate on what a lot means. Another old Dodge truck. See if I can get to that one. See if that's a D1. Ooh, if that's a D100 or if that's a D50. Man, I wish I would have started YouTube years ago, because you guys would have loved Project Gunny. Alright. The day I don't have my boots.
I was going to say that one.
Oh. Automatic truck. Oh. This is where I die. Nothing good. That sucks. Hell yeah. To the bug. See if it's a Herbie. Looky there. So the 50s or 70s? 60s. That's cool. Oh, oh man. Old Super Beetle. That's cool. Ooh, marsh. Try to get around here. Oh, go the other way. Oh, you're in hell.
Nah, it gets worse over here.
We'll find a way. We'll come back for you, little bug.
Or we can go down on me.
There's the bug steering wheel. That's cool. Oh. Be cool for somebody. Nice little rat rod. We'll come back for you, little bug. What else is there? Come on, Junkyard. Show me something. We're back to our little bug friend. Herbie's seen better days, but missing the hood. I mean, and look at that. Comes with a full blinker fluid right there. Oh, sorry, blinker fluid. It's so rare. I just drawn away. Get off. So rare. I just had to take a breath. Shut the camera. All right, what else can we find? So most of you guys know me as a guy that likes most of the classic cars. But for a few of my fans that actually like the sports cars and some of the older ones, I give you a beat up red Porsche. I think this is an 83. Oh shit. Oh. Yes, all of the Porsche goodness. What engine are you? Hang on, let me take a closer look here. 151. Okay, so you got a turbo one? No? No fast whistle? No fast whistle. Let's see if we can find any more like Porsches or old trucks or anything. Old F100, here we go. Ooh, now we're getting into it. Oh, I found my spot. Sweet Lord. Oh, I see a big old boat over there. Yeah, all right. It's a bumper dent. Okay, so it's a dent side. So that's 72 and or 73 and older. Man, this is cool. I found the spot. All right, just a long bed pickup, single tank. What do we got here? Ooh, it's an extra speed hole there. It's aerodynamics and weight reduction right there. Oh, I found my favorite thing. Big, bodacious car. Is this a 460? It's like a 73. Another dent side. Man, found all the good stuff. Too bad I don't need it. Oh, international pickup. Damn it. Okay, let's work on this one first. So this is the Continental. Had the 460 placard. I mean, she's still there.
Carb's gone.
Oh, she hasn't ran in a good long while. That's when you know it's extra crispy. Carb's been wide open. Ooh, nice puddle. How's the interior? Oh. Custom mold. Everything everyone's looking for. Custom rat nest interior touches. This thing's mint. Man, what is with these cars doing that? That's weird. What am I saying? Ohio trucks they don't even exist. Crown Victoria. Oh, are you a V8 one? Hearse! Oh God, so many vehicles having an overload. Oh, what the hell? When you can't afford tires, use your rim. That's so cool. Crown Victoria.
I mean, do you see the packing tape windshield?
Factory, mint, flawless. Factory options, custom. Oh, the old hearse has been cannibalized. Oh, Thunder Chicken. Got a Thunder Chicken with a 302? Man, oh, I'm getting junk drunk here. Like, this is amazing. Now check this out. This is pretty cool. It's an SS350 Chevy. It's kind of the same model as White Lightning. Or White Knight. Still haven't named it yet. But good news. Only needs a PCM. Maybe the PCM's in the back. Nope. She's pretty far gone like most of the stuff here, but it's still cool to see something that's still alive. Let's go to the next one. Now that's a custom aerodynamic piece there. Holy crap. Damn. I don't know what the hell they're using in Mississippi, because it seems like it's a little bit more violent than what we use in Ohio. What we got here? Ooh, it's got a man pedal. 3 in the tree. The worse for wear. I get too excited in Junkyard. I'm like a kid in a candy shop.
Just me or the train going a little bit further through the floor than it's supposed to be?
Oh, God, dude. It's an El Camino. That's all I see. I see beautiful El Camino. And then Chevy Impala 74? Yep, Impala. Oof. The whole grill has definitely seen better. How? What? What in the figgity? What the? Oh, man. Good Lord. I am in the element right now. Hang on, I'll get to you in a second. What is this? An old Y block? No, that was wrong. Ah, there's so much shit everywhere. Trans Am. Hey Matt, found your car. You might be able to afford it. Oh, I'm gonna get you 50s. I see 50s. Okay, I'm not gonna mess up the door any. Old International.
You almost taking a dive.
That would've been funny.
Got bolts.
Oldsmobile 98? Delta 88. Ooh. This looks like the same car they used in 8 Mile. Oof. Good God. Trans Am. So excited, but the problem is I can't use any parts off these cars. Just makes me sad. Oh, man. Ooh, lizard. Little gecko climbing up the trunk lid now. He's like, F it, I'm out. Oh boy. El Camino, El Camino, another El Camino. Is this a 70s El Camino? It is. Oh, this is a 70. No. Wait a minute, hold on. You see the taillights. Oh my gosh. It's a 70 to 70, 72? That hurts. Like, take these ugly bitches. These are, no offense to people that like this body style Elko, this is like a 77, 76, but let's be honest, the 70 and the 72 look way better. But still, I'm an El Camino fan, so I like everything ugly. So much stuff. Nothing I can use. Damn it. Like, ooh, that looks like a solid door. Ooh, maybe I can get this off. Ah, damn it. Oh, don't want to break it. Not gonna break it. 2-barrel. Dude, there's so much. Like, there's not a lot of classic cars. Not like anywhere near. It's not like anything near like the amount that's at Wagner's in Ohio, but still, like, this is 72 GMC, and then there's a late 70s one right there, and then I think that's a Buick. That's an old Buick. Oh yeah, that's an old Buick. It's a GS, or what are you? Oh, Pond. It might be a GS. So let's check the engine again. Like, what? Like, once again, what the hell? Right there. How is that happening?
So you can come up front, man.
Oh man. That's fine. It's, oh my God, mint, just flawless. That's all it is. Is there any? Hang on. Nope. No badges. Buick though. Tractors and campers. Old Ford camper. Ooh, nope, going straight for the Dodge. Big block weenie. And this shit all the way out there. Holy cow. Woo-wee. This might be a 454 thing. Also might be a nice cess pond for killer things. Is it unlocked? Ew. It's a 440? It's like the roadkill. It's a south wind. Extra ventilation for the motor. Ooh. Ooh-hoo. No bueno. That looks like a 440. I can't. It's fucking. Oh, what is that? That's a GM, so that's a 454. Okay. 454, not bad. Oh man. Once again, I wish this shit was in Ohio. But you, what do you got for me? Nothing? 360. Okay. Oh god. Ooh, that's a cool looking hubcap. Too bad they won't survive. There's 4 of them. I might have to think about shipping them. Oh, there's another one. See if I can get in the compartment, because this thing is. That thing is toast. Another 360. Seats are cool as hell. These swivel seats. Oh, squirrels have eaten the shit out of this thing. Another 360. Man. This shit in Ohio. Like, those hubcaps I would keep just to put on something like the wagon or Shelly. That's about it for this episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Found some cool things. Unfortunately, there's nothing I can take on the plane that's worth getting at all, so, you know, feels like a badge or something I could have used for Shelly, or if I found a trim piece for a Behemoth, that would have been nice, but it's just a nice day out, you know. I'm sweating, but I'll sweat standing still. So, you know what? Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Hope you're staying safe, and hopefully the situation will be over soon. And then I'll get back to videos, and unfortunately we see more of my face, which is pretty scary. Thank you for watching A.C.C. Garage. Make sure to comment and subscribe if you want. Whatever you want to do. See you guys. Man, I was about to end the episode and leave, and then I found this on the way out. Holy 1970s. This is cool. We got the portal window. Dude. Oh. Dude, you got. Oh man, that's cool. Man, I wish I had artwork on it, but it's got the portal window. Look at that, it's got the mags on the front. That is awesome. And a shag. Oh, we got a 351 or 302? 302. Man, I'm a sucker for old vans and stuff. Oh, is there another one? Nah, it's just a square one. Oh. Okay, fine. I'm done geeking. I'm done geeking. Alright, I'm done nerding around. Now it's time to go. Wait. Hey, Peg. It's a Dessel. Is it 7.3? 7.3. A little bit of can consent and she'd be good. Alright, now I'm going. Alright, episode over. Bye.